All right. So we got individual variables and categorical and quantitative data. Okay. We got to remember the categorical data, qualitative. Okay. This right here is categories. Quantitative data is numerical. Numerical. Okay. So it says Camille is comparing different apartment complexes. Here's the data she collected. So these right here are the apartment complexes. These are the individual data values. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this first answer, the individuals in the data set are apartment complexes. How do I know that? Because it tells me right here in the reading. It tells me right there in the reading. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down some more. And it says this data set contains how many variables? Let's count them. And I'll count them in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 variables. This is 5 variables. 5 things that the respondent could have said different response choices to. How many of them are categorical? Well, categorical means they're in categories. Numerical means there's numbers. So this one is categorical. This one is categorical. A major clue to categorical is they are in words. So there are 5 variables and 2 are categorical. And so that's our answer. There we go. Let's clear the screen. Let's look at this next one. Let's erase everything. Okay. It says Irene is gathering information about students at the local college. Here are some data she collected. So our individuals in the data set are the students. So we've already got our first one. It is the college students. Okay. How many variables? I'll do the variables in red. We got 1 variable is class, 2 is major, 3 is dorm. Okay. All of which are categorical. There are no numerical data. There's no numerical quantitative data. Okay. So let's see which one. And it's going to be 3 variables, 3 of which are categorical. Okay. Do one more. Let's clear the screen. And it says, let's do this in blue. It says, Fin Yang is comparing rooms at the conference center. Here is some data he collected. Comparing rooms. What are the individual rooms at the conference center? So we got our first part. Rooms at the conference center. Okay. Let's do it in green. How many variables? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 are quantitative or numerical. And those 2 are categorical. Categorical. I hate writing with this pen. And what does that mean? We have 4 variables, 2 of which are quantitative. That's correct. And that's all we got to do.